Welcome. And this time, I found a new idea. Why don't I learn a new programming language? Originally, it was between three programming languages D, Zig, and Nim. But I've been narrowing it down, and I found D. It's has an entry point and stuff like that, so it is somewhat hard, but it is easy at the same time. So I don't want to give myself the way of Python, which is too easy. And for example, with languages like that, everything's already done for me. So if you get the idea, I might be the only one experiencing this, but everybody's already done something. Why should I be doing something? Like, I don't know, it might just be weird. I'm just gonna download it. Agree. Yes, I will agree. I can't not agree. Chill. No, is it just me or was GCC easier to install than D? Or maybe, I don't even know. Now what happens once I do this? So D programming language usage. Is there decompiler. What is it called? I downloaded whatever I need to do, but I'm kind of confused. So there might be some sort of DOS. No. What is it called? Compile the hello world. RDMD, what the heck? That is something, so we did get ourselves somewhere. I would like it to be better named. And now that we have that, I think we could go into coding. Make the D, CDD. Now I can use Vim to go inside of there. Let's create a main.d or something like that. And in it, this is the basic hello world. So could I not put any explicit combinations? Hello, my friend. And then we go into here. We use this very long command or whatever. And what is it even doing? It's taking so long. Come on. Come on, Johnny boy. Okay, now just interesting. So we can actually, when we're doing exit, I could actually at the start say that that we run smd or whatever the heck. So now to say just ./main.d. It's gonna run. So just like GCC, D has this DMD that compiles. So I could, for example, use this DMD on main.d, and it would give us first a main.o, and then a main. If we run this main, we actually get hello world, which is quite so cool. Look at that, programming the new language, and you got it also easy. Speed running D. Maybe I could showing it just into that. Like, then I'm gonna like QA, whatever. I previously QA'd, don't worry. The reason I did that is because there's this new tool that's becoming like emergent. It's called NeoVim. I'll see if I can use it. It's in Vim. Yes. So the real path is over here. If I exported this variable, what I'm thinking is I do not know how to exit Mojang. I'm in NeoVim. I still to this day do not know. But I'm gonna let this be my terminal and this be my actual thing. So I'm gonna open this. And what we experienced so far was that if we went to a stage, we get a hello world, which is pretty cool. No, I think there's more features. Actually, there has to be more. There has to be more, yeah. And then you get really weird stuff like this, but there's also an F that gives a format, which is, I think, what this is telling me. So then I could pass it in as a string, just so I can see hello folk. Once I do that and I run it, it should actually say hello folk, as it does. And we can take that to advantage. I'm pretty sure the arrays would be similar. So, like, we could still do char times string is equal to hello people. Oh, it does look like there would be an automated string for type for that. So yes, exactly that's what I'm thinking. So that's what I was thinking. D is higher level than C, so they'll probably have a string. And we get hello people. Now let's do like a string function. Let me see if there's D documentation. So it does. That's the good thing about everything. There should be some sort of string. Right? Quota stdc that string. And its source is around here. Oh, this is just char times, right? But what I'm thinking about is the type of string. So, like, if there's string, there should be multiple, right? Also, like, built-in string type in D. I know there is, but I want to see data about it. So, we have a string people. What if we say we have a number that's 5, and immediately after that, we put the number. Hello, people 5, which is pretty cool. Now I want to see how DMD works. Well, I have another thing that's lib/graphics/graphics.o. Can we link it? Okay, it does have obviously that problem too. Oh, it uses LD. I would not blame it. I would use LD too. I would not create my own like painstaking process of. But anyways, meine Freunde. It uses LD So that means, like, for example, I couldn't do anything like framework Coco. Yes. And we have a DMD man even. That opens up the manual. That is cool. That is cool. That is cool. Made just for noobs. The noobs. And has a ton of stuff. I'm not gonna use that. I may even like cross up all this. And I do have COC plus background. It's still like the structure type. So structs in D. Okay. So we do have structs like that. Do we have classes? Classes too. So this may be one of the few languages that have classes and structs in the same thing. So extract person. We'll give it like a name and an integer age. And I seriously wonder if it'll be supported. They do like that type. Yeah, it's not. But I could say person. I might have to use struct keyword specifically to go to that. Just like we did back in the olden CDs. Is equal to Johnny Boy. He's called Johnny Boy. And his age is... yeah, he's old. He's been there longer than most people. Don't mess around with Johnny Boy. He big. He chunky. And he big brain. And he's just big brain. Don't mess with Johnny. If you mess with Johnny, you will get... Don't tell me that it needs space. It might have to. You know, I won't blame that. It's my language too. It's messed up. Completely did not even focus. That's weird. Oh, it does not expect a semicolon. Weird. What is wrong with D? And it might be with this also. The heck. Wow, that is cool. And then you have this at line 12. That is not an integer. Dang it. Dang it. It knows that Johnny Boy's age is 2 years old. Hello, you are years old. You are that many years old. What the heck? And we can add pounds too to mock the big old Johnny Boy. And wait, a person dot wait. And it's also going to be as big. So 10101 and pounds. Yes, he chunky. He chunky. Don't mess with this. No, gotta do. Don't mess with. He is. While you string are years old and pounds. So I'll create a new person now, which is you. Person.name is equal to Broski Noob. Person.age is equal to -5. No, fine. I'll actually do correct. 0. You know what? I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna say 1. Pearson.weight is equal to 9. Okay, I can't finish that yet. 'Cause I also have to do u.name, u.age, u.weight. Let's see. Don't mess with both, can you? Oh, I accidentally modified the wrong thing, so maybe this would work.
Wait, how
Watch
far is it from our house?
Yes. Look at advice.
1.5.
Advice, people. I'm back and it's time to check out new things. What if I created a new program? Like just echo, I'm not sure about nothing. Maybe just that and put that into main.d that will include the std and stuff like that. Isn't like import std.std. RIP, I'm not gonna program in real life. This is proof that I don't know how to do real D. Hello world in D. Please teach me. I'm stupid. I don't know anything. Import std.std. Yes. I'm just goated like that. So then we could do similar to, I think, Java. Println. I don't program in Java really, no. I just know about that. By the way, nobody's asking me. I'm just, there was a printf. My dreams just came true. There's a printf. Hello world. I just downgraded from this program to a hello world. The reason I did this is to check out the assert statement. Like, imagine we assert nothing. Wouldn't that clearly result in assertion failure? I'm pretty sure C could do something like, and Johnny Boy. Can you do that? No, does not do that. Asserting in D. I might actually be better at D than earlier. Oh, you do a comma. Like, no at. Kind of, I like the style. Cool. Like it. So it tells us Johnny Boy. I could, for example, say, you have 0 IQ, so you cannot run the program. POV, me trying to access any program. Wow, this is so cool. Anyways. I've not actually experienced, simple stuff. Such as, like, we can do similar C experience. Like, I can add two numbers together in this and return num1 times num2, which is not expected. Stop doing the blaming. Psych! Not gonna work. I'm just gonna be an evil programmer. Don't let the user access anything. Oh, how do you even, like, backspace a couple times? Can anybody, like, teach me how to do that? Like, cause... Anyways, I have to do, like, something like this or that, obviously. But if you have a large file, that's not gonna work with that. Good. So what if I just do add, we add 5 and 6. Not add, at the end of the day. Put it into this trap. Psych, not gonna work. And we get 30, which is 6 times 5. Cool. Now, what if we actually store this in an integer, like a result? And we said, like, switch result. I'm just coding C. I'm trying to see how similar it is to D by building it. So, let's say 30. 5 plus 6 is not 30. Oh no. We are in a black hole. If it's 11, say that's expected. Default, I don't even know at this point. There should be new lines. Chat, do not be like, I don't know why I say chat, I'm too used to. Go to case. Switch case failed. Are there no switch cases? Switch statements in D. If there is no switch statement in D, it taught me switch case fault. Can I get like lines? What? Enable line numbers in Vim. There's also some sort of thing like relative, right? Set relative number. Boom, boom, chicka boom, boom, chicka chicka boom, boom, chicka boom, boom, chicka boom, boom, chicka boom. So, what am I doing? Oh, actually, you can repeat a command in Vim by like, pressing the number and then doing whatever you want to do that many times. So, like, I can do, I see this 12 over here. Let's say I want to jump over there. I could say 12 and then down. So it's saying go down 12 times. That's essentially how it works. So do we have to do something like go to? Is D sucking me into black hole? Black hole, black hole, black hole, black. Are we in a black hole? Yes, we are indeed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do we just put it 2 times? That does not work, right? Yeah. I have no idea what to do with switch statements. Switch statements were supposed to be so efficient. At this point, D, you're ruining the world for my D. If you know what that means, then run. You're gonna get devoured when you're sleeping. I could have just done echo at this point. I could have done it way faster. Not gonna lie, but I go the harder way, because the harder way is a more useless way. So I'm exploring D. Language, not D's, not... Fine. I'm not like that. I'll stop. Fine, nobody's laughing. It's not funny, man. There's autos. Ultimate C++ feature. So I can just say auto result is equal to some... That's not even how you should... If you're looking at this, don't take that as an inspiration. Abbreviate like this. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. Something. Never text using abbreviations. This is the reason why the world's a mess. This is the reason why the world's about to end. And good damn it. Dynamic array string. Oh. Oof. No. So we want to get like a C string. How do you convert D string into C string? D string into C string. D string into C string. D string into C string. D string into D documentary. And documentation, not documentary. I'm being stupid. But I need to stop being stupid. I need to start using my mind. Convert string to char times in D. Oh, is this such thing as a cast? Could I just randomly cast it into a char times? Are you serious? Are you serious, people? Are you serious? Okay, it works. You just have to cast it into a char times. Sucks. I feel like there was already a built-in way like that. Like there was a printfln or something like that that would work with this. I'm becoming crazy by the moment. There was a printfln. Am I crazy? I think I'm going insane. Somebody please help me. Casts make no sense. No, I do not like casts. Anybody who's asking in the mind from there? What else is there to learn? It's C, D, D, T. I will not care. I could not care less for all of this classes. I came to C because they didn't like classes. And she didn't have classes. I mean, I code in Python. Yeah. You got me there. You got me there. I code in Python. I code in C++. I code in Objective-C. I code in Objective-C++. The thing I hate about C++ is the reason it exists. Classes. C++ is messed up. It's a total mess. Don't code in it. Please don't. I like my structs. I like my structs. I do. I'll admit it. I like my C structs. Wow, I'm a loser. I don't know anything. Yeah, whatever that. I don't like classes. Yeah. That's just me. Mind me. So can I just go into whatever thing I was on? D sharp. D sharp. Wait, does it even exist? Yeah, that exists. Never mind, I'm being stupid. Could I like cat that one data stage? DMD made a D. What if I linked it with LN quizzes? Go to the DMD manual. Whatever. So can I link it? Oh, that's cool. So I could go to DMD and I could link it with the array.h. Dang it. But there's some sort of C thing that I must have. Goodbye, past self. You've been transported to a virtual reality. Thank you. You've been transported to a virtual reality. Reality. You've been transported into a virtual reality. So what happened with forward declarations? Intro 2. So I'm gonna do this. This time I'm gonna multiply them. Not this time. Again. What if I do minus? I'm trying to be equal here. I know this won't work because yeah, now it's fixed. And I'm gonna use DMD just to see. Finally, D cool D cool. Now, what else is there to learn in D? That's it. That's freaking it. Goodbye. That's enough to learn in D. I will see you in the next programming session. Bye. No, I didn't actually do that. People. So, like for the D documentation, I want to see what D has to offer with its library reference. What even is in its language reference? I could have used this. So, oh, what if I use this to create like a main.c file? Like this is perfect. So I already have stuff. I can remove that. And I could say extern.c. I just realized the reason I failed last time is because I didn't figure out to put extern.c, so I spent like so much time trying the thing that was stupid. I copped that out. Don't worry. num2 times num1. That's really syntax. Don't worry. I'm actually gonna. What if I return just the first value? So now I can actually do this. Right? This is kind of cool. So I can. Did I even write this? Please write this. Oh, I remember. These are in. So ws stuff.c. Yes, that actually changes it. This is why I like Vim. It's easy to learn it. I know it, but I could do that. I'm learning stuff by the moment, rapidly changing it. How about that? No type. No type. Is it like int x and c? Don't tell me. Don't tell me you made this messed up thing. What? So, oh, you use parentheses. Kind of messed up, but okay. Okay, management system. What the heck? Oh, I am doing it. Oh, I didn't write it. Keep on writing it to main. Don't want it in main.c. Wait, whatever this traces into stuff.c. Stuff.c. Boom, chicka, boom. Stuff.c. Oh my god, 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 oh, okay. So let's see my nifty. What in the world is wrong with this? Do I do like no type for declarative? For I said it. What in the freaking world is wrong with this? I think I get it. This is not one. Let's see. Well, okay. Things these days. So what if I sorry, GCC stuff.c dash c. Oh, I didn't write that. Oh my god, this thing nowadays. All main.c. All stuff.c. New stuff.c. Is this what you freaking wanted? My Vim these new Vim these days. This is why I told you. So into stuff in num1 in num2 return num1. How long is it gonna take me to get this done? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Did you shut up? No. Well, not shut up. What is in stuff? Let's see. This. Now, what the heck is happening? I might as well, I know that C compiler won't accept that. No. Do you do it the opposite way around? Let me see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. It's me again, but there's no D again. And there's no neovim either. I switched. I don't know. It's easy to stop, so let's go, Mario. Under SH is something like this. We don't follow under SH. Obviously, we do something like I believe stuff.c. We do that. Blah 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 blah. I think last time we had a problem with this, right? Wasn't it like? Okay. So, how about I just classically remove that? Windows.sh just to see what's in there. It's in main.d. That's really weird. I know about that. Just echo nothing into that main.d. It's good now. So, this is actually sort of a test to see if I can re-guide it. And we can print a simple hello world. Let's do argv and argc. I'm curious about that. I honestly know there has to be, but argc and argv for D. Argv and argc for D. D isn't that popular for language. Yeah, you got me. You got me. Is there any arguments? Oh. I have no idea. You can interface to Objective-C. Wonderworld. I think this would be good because our entire graphics library is in Objective-C. Even C doesn't allow us to interface with. Yeah, that'd be so cool. I think it's time that we learn. I never thought I would be here, but I think it's time that we learn classes. I'm sorry. I think it's time. So so you have innuations classically. And we have Windows programming. This is pretty cool. Our GUI is in Cocoa, so I think you could be able to link it over. But I don't want to do any graphics. It's scheiße. I'm classical, very classical, dude. Memory safety. So we have 3 types of functions: safe, trusted, and system. I think I should probably merge everything with safe. Nothing's gonna happen. I don't even know if safe means. Oh, safe means. Oh, so safe calls to system. I think that means we should best ignore it. Now you could do trusted, because obviously we're gonna trust main, right? Yeah, that works. And it creates a hello world. So you can trust main program. I mean, you're not gonna give it like system level as if the whole world revolves around it, but we're gonna say we trust it. We're gonna trust our program. I mean, duh, you trust your program. I'm not gonna be there like, hey, can you like untrust me? Can you not trust me? Can you think I'm an idiot? Can you? No, that's just not how it works. And we even have legacy code. So I said a long time ago that I was gonna learn classes. What's the difference between a class and an interface? You know what? Should I like interfaces? Should I like classes? That a class, okay. Because the world is on object-oriented wheels right now. If I said same thing I did earlier, but with a class, and we're gonna say like maybe New Year. It's not gonna do. It's just gonna say Happy New Year. Now you are. We're gonna have some like sort of age, right? So our age is here. I think we can find it as 0. Happy New Year. Now you are blank. And we do have to add 1 to the age. So I'm just gonna create a very minimal system. I could say like person me, and then me dot new year. So we're gonna increment the age. Now if we run it, it says seg false. Weird. But classic C. And C in classic D. I never thought D would do that. I thought they were like fancy, real new like exposed C. You will never see any errors. You will never see anything. But you know what? I like it. I like it. D has just won my personality. I wish we had constructors. Actually, I know that we do. I'm just waiting to New Year. What happened with variables? What happened with functions these days? What happened with functions these days? Non-static, static. Seriously. I'm gonna just give it like trusted. I honestly want to trust it. Please trust me. So I'm just gonna be around trusting everything. That's classical. Classic me. And it still throws a sick fault. No, I wonder where it throws a sick fault at. Oh, it throws a sick fault at this thing. So we have to create some sort of constructor, right? Yeah. So this. Let's see. This, and when this is called, we're gonna set age to 0. You could do this and see if you create some fancy like preposterous statements. You can do anything with preposterous statements. I've heard there's a guy who made compilers from preposterous statements. That's how powerful it is. And see, I'm not gonna bring the topic that far away, but see, so you have to instantiate it, right? So we have to say we're gonna create a new person. Otherwise, it's gonna. Yes, I like it. I will never stop caring about memory. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be Python folk. Classical Python folk. That worked, yeah. I'm not gonna be like that type of kid who's just like, yay, I don't have to worry about memory. I'm free. I don't. Yeah, I'm set from the bounds. I want something that's between being hard and easy. It's like I have to deal with memory, but I don't have to like deal with it that much. And you have these features. If you think about it, D isn't that much higher level than like C. If you think about it, just has. I think it might be even lower level because you have this trusted thing. I'm not sure about that though, but I'm just gonna say it. Cause yeah, honestly, yeah, honestly, um, I like how it works. So I'm pretty sure the whole time. What happened if we just said me? Did that a little prone? I don't like. I think this would be enough for me to notice. Me? Did you mean M? Oh, I honestly. Oopsie. Yeah, it's sick false. That's how it works. That's how it works, Python folk. Stop being spoiled little brats. Exit. So I'm gonna say me dot new year. Me dot new year. Me dot new year. Me dot new year. This gets kind of repetitive. Maybe I could create like a counter that repeats it. And also, yeah, it does not have classical new lines. What's wrong with your new lines? Annoying thing in C, but D will not be free of hurdles. Yeah, so I keep on aging. So repetitively. I never thought I would say this, but I keep on aging repetitively. In this simulation. Not only simulation. Simulations, people are way better than this. So what if we keep on, like, making this dude, making me age? So, yes, now I'm 11 officially. Now I'm 11. Now, the question is, could I do random numbers in D? Random numbers in D. Because if you think about it, we have all growth splits. So I may add like wow, it's that easy. It's that easy. C programmers, it's that easy. Dennis Reggie, it's that easy. Oh my god. This freaking easy. This freaking easy. You look at that. Meine Freunde, du hast keine Freunde. We have tests in this world. Wow. So random numbers. What I've seen makes no sense. The documentation, I wish it would give the entire example. I mean, not this big, please. Maybe make it smaller. Oh, but like, honestly, I'll test pass. Fast. Come on, folk. Come on. Come on, maybe make it a little better. I was just boasting with you a second ago, and I'm like, maybe make it a little better. Maybe. So uh syntax? Syntax. It's not fun. People are that smart these days, so I'm confused. So what if I just ran sort of a test that says, sorry people that are just like, you The problem with D is that people say it has large community, but in real life, yeah. So maybe I'm pretty sure we have to do like std.random, right? We have to import std.random standard random standard random standard children std random. Please do not crash on me. So we got one. We could get different numbers. I'm just trying to make it a larger number. So we got 0, 10, 8, 6. Yes, random numbers. Now maybe you could pass like a boolean, which is like say, if, just don't, no say, no say. If we say say is by default false. So yeah, then we also have like a void dump, which just checks on the person, and it says like you are years old, so you're however many years old, and it'll get the age. Oh, that's good. So we just want to now dump all of the data. It says you are 11 years old, just expected. Now what you could do is you could create some sort of a height. I don't know the height of an average baby. It's in inches. Height of average baby in inches. 19 to 20. I'm gonna just say 19. Okay, don't blame me. And also, I'm not a doctor. I'm not predicting the correct amount. I'm just creating a random number. How much does the average person grow each day? 2 inches per year. But like growth speeds and stuff like that. So height is plus equal to that uniform random nonsense. But this time we're gonna set a number between 1 and 2. So it's either 1 or 2. And weigh and are inches tall. This is a simulation. The world is a simulation. Now you are years old and inches tall. So we're gonna keep on getting older very often. And at 34 inches tall. What is the average height of an 11-year-old in inches? I bet it's completely wrong. 55. What is this baby doing here? No, I think we could no. How do oh. So what I might do is I might say int random number. So that's gonna be uniform. Um it's gonna be between 0 and 4. If random is equal to specifically one of those numbers, let's say 3, then we're gonna say height is plus equal to uniform. Don't mind me for my gorilla syntax. But then we could go for 5 inches. Puberty. Right? No. I don't even care. You could go 10 inches at adults. No, I could, put in puberty. So, and age is equal to, is greater than or equal to 10, and age is 15. Yeah, that's around the age of puberty. I'm not counting gender at all. This is the most waste. It's the worst simulation possible. Blah 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 blah. And we can make like a larger count. Like you could grow pretty tall. I could make it between 1 and 4, just to give it a little more chance. 37 inches tall. That's nowhere near the 55. What the heck is wrong with this? Oh, messed up. No. What if we did like a if age is equal to 4? I'm just gonna add, like, let's say 4. It's like, not gonna do anything, but it's gonna help a little. Our children are very small. Our simulated children are very small. What the heck? Gotta make them taller. You can go 15 inches. I know this doesn't exist. Stop chaining me to a wall. Bro, we made a really tall boy here. 61 inches, 2 feet. 5 feet. We made a 5 foot. Okay, that's not that tall. Not that tall, but we could also make this system way more complex. We could add parents, blah 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 blah. That depends. That makes the child go different, which is true. But this is not a simulation. A good idea would be, what if we created a simulation of a person's age and person's height over time, and we added graphics and all that? But I don't know how to do that with D. The thing is, I'm learning a new language. And yeah, that's time to be happy. And oh, there's built-in garbage collection. That's just what I found out. Can you do that? Don't worry, see, I'm not your enemy that much. The C way, the D way. Dot size of shirt. Is it just me, or did D sort of make it I don't know if it's worse or better. They should have just said size, so you could see like double dot size. Size. Wait, never mind. I sort of like it. Do 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 do. look at these long names. Some of them are STD diff or something, which is same as C. You'd have to include like STD bool dot bool char. I don't even know what these are. Being weird. Imagine a long double. Double dot infinity. 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 That would be cool. So I'll just create real life. So you are still shorter than Johnny, yes, Papa. You're still shorter than Johnny, Johnny Boy, no, Johnny Boy, who is inches tall. He is inches taller than you. Int dot infinity. Yes, infinity and int dot infinity minus age. This whole thing might look like a mess, but don't worry. I'm trying to make it do something. So there's no such thing as int infinity. There's double. Okay, let's see. Application inf for this. Wait, what? No, he's not 11 inches taller than you. Well, inf should be int, not double. So maybe I should do F then for a floating point, or maybe I'll have to do inf. Seriously? Okay. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. So I'm just gonna cast this to an int. And cast this to an int. And for this one, I'm gonna do this. Spaghetti syntax, ugly syntax. Nobody likes it at all. Sucks to suck. Blah 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 blah. Can I make this unsigned? Unsigned does not exist. Oh, I literally just saw a manual on that. Unsigned int. Where's unsigned int? There's every type except for unsigned. Oh, uint, 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 and uint. I'm surprised this has syntax for D. Zero just laughing out loud, laughing out loud, laughing loud, loud, so we got that correct. Just vary. I don't know. It's specific. Very specific, just like I like it. Just like I like my cookies. 0 minus double infinity minus stage. You know what? Why do I even need he's that much taller than you? I could just say he is way taller than you. You showed he's way taller than you. You little shorty. You little short person. Inf. And why do I even need to like hard code it? Why don't I just say he is So then we can create life. So this is how life works. 1.sh. 11 years old and 40 inches tall, still short, it makes sense. 40 inches, 41 inches, 40 inches, what the heck, 47 inches, 38 inches, 49 inches, 51 inches, but you're still tiny. And maybe I could make these kiddos way taller. Like during the puberty or whatever. We could make them age the same amount that they would in like 10 years. Blah 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 blah. That is not how it works, that's not how the world works. 63 inches tall. 63 inches to feet. 5 feet. I'm sure that's why I'm like being like 5.5 feet. But it's so short. You keep on growing. Create new simulations. 95 inches tall. You know how tall 95 inches tall is. 95 inches to feet. 8 feet, which is impossible. But imagine somebody was 8 feet. And what would they say? You're still shorter than Johnny Boy, who is this much inches tall. He's way taller than you, little short person. This is not coding. This is life. No matter how tall you are, there's somebody who's be taller than you, and you will always look up to them and say, I'm so short, because look at them. That's how the world works. 69 inches tall. 69 inches tall. Yeah, let's go, folk. But the point is of life. This is not coding. This is life. Life lessons here. That you can grow to whatever height, but you will not succeed because you will think that somebody else is taller than you. Life lessons. Yes. Let's see. Let's see that if we can make somebody who's tall. Goofy are tall. Again, we just did, but again. Even something that's really tall, even 70 is not that tall in my nowadays because I don't know. Okay, I just like 4 foot. That syntax. Actually, not, I might even add another thing for my simulation. But 12 inches is 1 foot. So let's see, like 4'5" or whatever. And then you have 5 extra, so that would be 53. I'm stupid. 53. 53 inches is 4'5". I think I might get it. Yeah. So what if I made it in the better syntax? That's 4'5" or 5'9" or 10'12". I don't know. But the way you do that is you would cast like this to an integer. You cast it to an integer. So you would not just cast the height, you'd cast an expression of that. And then you would also add up this exact same thing. I think that's how it works. So now I can see people in more detail. 3'4". Seriously? 3 feet 2 inches. 3'4". 40. But I thought it was average 3'4". Oh my god, I'm making small imbeciles here. 3. Is this crazy? Is this simulation crazy? Tiny little folk. Average dwarves. Yeah, this is a population of dwarves everywhere. That's my personal opinion. Yeah. So let's see what else we can program in D. I've created something pretty cool. I don't need these trusted identifiers, really, do I? I created a simple class that's pretty cool. We can run.sh and it still works just as expected. There we go. You don't need the trusted identifiers. Not unneeded. But anyways, let's see. Is there anything else that's cool about it? Let's see the libraries. So we have arrays. Okay. Cool. CSVs. This is the dream library. Libraries everywhere. Da-da-da-da. Um. Okay. It's kind of tiny for a language, but I mean, you may be confused. Why is this tiny? This is so large. Um, don't blame me for look at Python. It has exploding. This is good. I like it minimal. I like it minimal, tiny. And stuff like that. Those suits, this is even cool. I used that in C, I think, before. Um, and math. So this is built in. Like, as in, if I just go into Echo, nothing into main.d, and I create a new program, I purposely left it empty. I create a new program that imports core.math. Is that how it works? Hello D programming language. Oh, you need that. And I also import, let's say, std.stdio. I could put out this sign of 5, for example. So you can't do the sign of a number like that. What if I made it? Yeah. Must be not double. Don't blame me. I'm slowly losing my mind. There's other functions. For example, square root. Yeah, I'm gonna try that out. So square root of 25. What's the square root of 25? We all know it. 5. If you don't know it, sorry. Sorry. 5. Yeah, exactly. So, because it's a core.math, does that mean, like, core, I'm guessing, means, like, relatively important. So, is it built in? Yeah. There's even std.math. But because it's core, isn't core already included by default? Is because core, its name suggests that it's been used for stuff like that. No. Huh. Okay, it's not built in. But is this the same thing as std? If I did std, would it produce me the same result? Yeah. No. Okay, so there's 2 different types. And there's volatile. I remember this in C. Volatile. Oh no, but that's just some other volatile. There's volus. There's. Oh, okay. Sort of like we were doing in C. So var start. It takes in this. It brings out a var list. No, yeah. I forgot how to use var list. So I think it's similar to how it is in C. Var list in C. And in C, there's some sort of built-in cheat code. This is how it works. Yeah. So I'm guessing first what you have to do is say quo.std. So quo.stdc. Just need to C. Wow, interesting. We can now take like a function that accesses on let's say it first takes a char times. I can even call it void. It takes a char times string and then keeps on going for most strings. str. And I'll call it string str. Now what are we gonna do with this? First we're gonna like print that str. We're done with that. I think it's standard, so you do have to cast it to char times. Next what we can do is we can initialize a var list, like list. Say var start list instead. That's how it works, right? So you do args format. Yes. And you say and then we keep on doing var next, right? Something like that. Var next. There was some sort of varg. And then I'll ask you end the arguments. So I'm just gonna put that at the end. Var end list. Maybe I could do like an int len, right? So for int I is greater than or equal to 0, is greater than or equal to len I plus. We're gonna keep on putting a var argument, and this var argument is of doesn't give me the example. So var arg in C. Okay, finally. And then we have a type. Okay, so similar to that. I have not programmed with this in a long time. And then you take a string. So now, could I create my own, not printf, but subset of printf? So let's say we have one string that's hello world. I'm just going to keep an extra because I don't know how this indexing system works. First we have stdc, which does not exist, right? What? I thought there was quota stdc dot var dot std arg does exist, right? No, that fixed itself. No, 7. Did you mean std? Oh, we don't have any string, so we have to start it with length, right? And string is a format argument. Dang it. So I think, you know what this means, folks? We're gonna have to use char times. Can I pass char times function argument? What happened to it in var arg in D? In D, folks, not C. Imagine we did for example, what if I just put printed a ton of characters. Like I just say H and E, just don't blame me. Draw is the function. What is with this? Vogue. How do I know type T? So I'm just gonna go to Vogue itself. You best get it in the definition. Intrinsic. Is there another type then? Also intrinsic. How would this work? This exists. Okay. So at this point, I don't even have to do anything. I could just say, like, chart S. Let's say S is equal to Vogue T list. I'm guessing, and then you could just change this whole thing to be S. Then what is G? Oh, just a type of it. So in this case, we'd have to do char, right? HE. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? But this is not what it's expected. So just to make it a little cooler, I'm gonna start at 1, so that it actually says human, speaks human language. H. Now, could I do this with some sort of a string, for example? Like, I only have to change it in a couple places. That simple. We could say, hello world. Extreme C. Wait, I just saw something. Wait, what? Cannot pass a dynamic arrays to extreme C. Oh. Well, okay, for the second I thought it was the actual problem. Actually, a problem. It's just simple. Get it over with. Hello world. Can you do that? Just learn the language. What is the first way to do it? Take everything you know about this language and learn it. See, I'm using D like C now. Because of its similarities, I take it and I use coded in D. I don't have to use any fancy references. Just take your old source code and do whatever you want to do. This Vogue is messed up, so what did I do? I looked at the source code. This is how you do it. This is how you do it, folks. Stop messing around in your JavaScript panties. This is called life. Life. Okay. I'm over exaggerating. It's something I should probably be a normal person. STDO. Okay, this is the one that's being used by default. All these libraries in C. I don't even have to put code in D anymore. I'm gonna call this a day and code in C. Because D is similar to C. D is so similar to C that I could code in D in C in D. That's what I like about it. It has additional features that help. But it's reverse compatible with C. And C++ developers tried doing that. They tried making some fancy method. All they did was bloated their dependencies. All they did. That's literally all they did. They tried, but they couldn't. You have to admit, C is just goated. In D, any language that follows C, that's not like. I'm gonna have to make an assumption. I usually think that languages with classes are obsolete, but I just like D more than C++. I just like even the naming itself. You could just increment the letter in the alphabet. You don't need a plus plus. Come on. That's just making the name longer. D, one letter. Concise. Simple. Like C. And I like C. Easy to learn. All that. Look at the similarities. And the macros with explanation book, it still is sort of like Rust also. I like that. I don't want it to be completely Rust deprived. But you know what I'm saying? Nobody hates a good D. That's no, folks. That's not what I meant. No. Anyways, um, so we created something fancy, and actually, I have no idea if chart times itself would work. I don't think it would work, right? If it works, I will go yes. That's exactly what I meant. 10 void has no value. Still gonna have to say string. But even cares at this point. I don't know a lot of this from. I learned all of this myself. I didn't use any fancy dependencies because that's how you're supposed to learn it. Show JavaScript developers. Johnny. Johnny. I hadn't even learned macros yet. I'm obsolete programming. Macros in C. D. Sorry, D. We didn't. Okay. Macro. What in the world? So, can I go to D possibly? Oh, D does not have. I wouldn't blame it though. Like nowadays, it's considered obsolete to use any type of language to use both. And I mean that it's obsolete these days to use a pursuit. I mean, I don't get it. I guess purpose to make it better, but it makes it more prone to hacking. So I guess I get it. And there's also aliases. Look at this English language. We like it. And there's extra. So pretty much everything in C, a little bit different occasionally. Yeah. But there's there's a C way. There's a C way where there's a D way, which is good. What you think about that? That is cool. That is cool. That is cool. And that is moral. It is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. So what else is there? I'm actually gonna see how much time has passed. Great, we have some time left. So, the reason I thought about macros was because I thought in C, for example, you don't have to create some fancy printf. You could just say like classical macro, a printf stud dot, and do whatever you want within the macro. But that's showing the code, and apparently C developers just don't like that. Yeah, apparently. Honestly, sucks to suck and bucks to buck. There's even a string. Oh, it has a ton of the string functions. This is so genius. Everything that you would have inside of C, inside of a D, and there's even a C versions just for this one. And the thing I like about this is they don't show the code in C. In D, they let you do it. That's how you learn. You look at the code that was meant, the system code that was meant to not be read by us, and you learn. That's how learning works. You look at it and you learn yourself. Hands-on activity. Some people won't like that. Also, I'm not talking about learning styles because learning styles are actually assumption made by our brains. For example, you can see that in Veritasium's video. I'm not going to get out of the topic. Anyways, I love Vertasim. Yes, yes, I love Vertasim. If you don't like Vertasim, get out of here. So I'm not meaning to be derogatory or anything. Can I leave this? What the heck is this thing? Magic. Well, alright. So we have this huge valve, and huge val. And we have NAN, not a number. I almost never heard of that in my lifetime, other than when you called in JavaScript. JavaScript. And you have minus in .max. Is that crazy? Is that crazy? In a mini operating system. Well, and static assert false architecture spotted. Why am I, oh, I'm really being weirded out right now. Because I'm looking at random code and I don't even know where it belongs to, but yeah. So we have limits. We have stdint, yes. This is the one I've been waiting for. This is how you learn your numbers. Int at. I know it in C. Familiar. Not familiar. This is better. Byte. We're being clear. This is a byte. This is not your dirty byte. Take that. And we have an unsigned shirt. This makes no sense. Oh, no, mine makes sense. Sorry. Forgot about that. You. And yeah, classical. So we just define a ton of types. Int least 32t makes no sense. Why just call it int 32t? You're crazy nowadays. Line 69. Favorite line. I'm leaving it. You always know a project is good when it has at least 69 lines of code. And we also have these that I've been used to. Yeah. Purient. Assertion. 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 Sorry, I'm becoming crazy. Wow. Think these days. Oh, that just adds. Genius. I'll do that. I'll do that. So I'll do something like that. S. This has been approved by all the big boys, all the biggest boots. Don't mind me for being crazy. And logo, this video has been approved by all the big spoots. It has some weird. We don't talk about that. Can you do escape codes? So I could specifically say this is the end of the screen. Don't look any further. Yes. Hello world, this has been approved by all the big spoots. We're not lying when we say award winning. We actually check it with all of the donkeys and big boys in town. So you have an unknown. That's really weird. Just say print. No. Log. So I'm sort of disappointed. I could have done something further. Wait. Now that I think about it, since I don't even need length anymore. Oh, I do, because I could implement some sort of dashes thing. I don't even know if we have enough time to. It's 30 minutes. Let's go. String s. So we don't have to implement s. We already have something to print out all the way here. So we cast char times s. And we don't have any length anymore. So we just say At this point, I don't even know. I just created a parallel reality. A long time ago, I found something that is really interesting. I did something like this, where I always printed the new numbers. So I kept on printing the new numbers of the list. And there's no such thing as length. And this is S. But I'm gonna return it for just maybe 3 iterations. Yeah. Then you'll see Hello World and this other random stuff. What happened to Johnny? I could just say, clearly this will not be read. I don't know what I'm doing at all. So I'm gonna do A and say cast char times A. What in the world? Oh, I think it's because we're casting this to an A. That's the problem. That is the problem. 6. Okay, so keep on going there. And you see these magic numbers. They're the Rax or the X, whatever. What if I specifically said at the end some special? You know what? I'm becoming crazy slowly. Let's see. Could we check if it contains? Check if string contains substring in D. I'm getting way more stuff now. Find split. That works. Oh, no, that wouldn't work. So I thought find split is the most supported method. I'm not saying the other ones don't work. It's just that this is more proof and what I think would be easier to support. So we create an auto result, yes. We don't need anything else. Just make it simple. And the same variable. This fit like a little puzzle piece. Let's see find split what happened if there is one? And what would happen if there isn't? Before and after. What if I purposely know that I will assert this program and make sure that it breaks? But assert result 1 is equal to -s. I don't think it'll happen, right? Wait, it was for another reason. $14. Wait, let me just go to line 14. Get up, I'm just in a long time ago. Assertion, yes! Let's go. Now, what if I had it? It will not assume, right? What? 913 assertion. Wait, no, there's some sort of error while compiling. 13. Dang it. And what if I just said, oh wait, it's because segfault. What in the world is wrong with my program? What in the world is wrong with my program? What in the world is wrong with my program? Now, how about I just move all of this? Simple. All I'm saying is assert. If it's what? What in the world? I think I'm going crazy. You know what? I'm gonna look at this code and I say, I don't like this printf syntax. What is there to like? I would rather like something that aims to be more simplistic. In other words, classical len first. So we start list with this time len because it's the first element. And you move all of that and you say I is equal to 1, I greater than or equal to len s string s, and we do that, and we do 2 elements. So I have 2 elements. This will be good now. It looks like that. There should be some formatting thing I've heard. Anyways, that's enough programming here. I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.